next to land a fish. Okay, to land a fish means when you acquire something acquire or gain something that is valuable. It could be in terms of monetary terms. It could be if you gain a place, if you gain a job, your dream job, then also you can say that the person has landed a fish. ठीक है, example अगर मैं दूँ, that my best friend, she landed a fish, she got her dream job. उसका सपना था, it was a dream to work in Google and she got a job, that is she landed a fish. ठीक है, इसके दो मीनिंग है, लिटरल मीनिंग भी है, फिगरेटिव मीनिंग भी है. लिटरल मीनिंग जो समझ में आ रहा है आपको, टू लैंड अ फिश, कि वाकई एक मछली पकड़ ली है, that is literal meaning. And the second meaning, which is figurative meaning, that means you acquire or gain a position in higher authority. You gain something higher. Moving on to next, which is to be like a fish out of water. Okay, you will use this frame for people, or people can use it for themselves when you are at a position, when you are at a place which is not familiar to you. You feel that you are you does not suit this place. सिंपल भाषा में समझिए, अगर आप ऐसी जगह हैं, वो आपका घर भी हो सकता है, ऑल्दो फैमिली भी हो सकती है, वर्क प्लेस भी हो सकता है, जहां आपको लगता है कि वहां का एनवायरनमेंट है ना, या आप एडजस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, मैं ये चीज करने के लिए नहीं बना हूं या नहीं बनी हूं. लाइक इफ आई गिव एन एग्जांपल, आई लाइक टीचिंग. This is my personal example I'm giving. I like teaching, but if somebody appoints me as his or her personal assistant, then what would I say? I would say that I feel like a fish out of water because my hobby is teaching. Let me give you one more example. If I say first day of school, postings होती है ना, तो first day of school बच्चों का कैसा होता है? They feel like fish out of water. Even at your workplace also, if you're switching, you're switching your job, you're switching your office, तो क्या होता है? थोड़ा अजीब लगता है, नया लगता है. So in that case, you are a fish which is out of water. All right. Moving to next, which is to cry stinking fish. Now, to cry stinking fish, it is a figurative meaning, which means when people criticize their own group, their own country, they talk bad about their team members, they talk bad about their family members, then we use this phrase to cry stinking fish. ठीक है? कि मछली सड़ गई है ना, स्टिंकिंग मतलब बदबू आ रही है. अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं, that during the meeting, my fellow my colleague, what did she do? She started crying stinking fish in front of the directors. कि कंपनी की बुराई करने लगी, है ना. या अगर मैं